Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Celebrate. In the lovely month of May, we will be making our high protein overnight oats. Now we're in May. We're near the end of the school year. We're still packing our breakfast to grab and go, get the kids out the door. Maybe you're in finals in college or school, whatever it be. So we have another really quick, simple, and delicious, nutritious breakfast that we're going to be making. So really basic, simple ingredients, and I will be very excited to cook this along with you. Come join me. So to begin, it is very simple. We're going to add our wet ingredients, and then we'll add our dry ingredients one at a time, mix it together, throw it in the fridge overnight. It cannot get any more simple than that. So I have 3/4 cups of our almond milk right here that we'll add. Now I use dairy alternative because I'm lactose intolerant, but you can use any dairy product or non-dairy that you choose of the same measurement. Then we're going to add our Greek yogurt. Now I do just like to combine these two just gently, just a little bit to break up that yogurt a little bit to make it easier to mix right before I add our dry ingredients. There we go. So we will add our oats. Give that a little bit of a stir. Now you can just add all your dry at once and then mix it, or do it after each one if you so choose. After I add the oats, I like to mix it, and then the rest of the ingredients, they mix pretty easily, so then I add them all together. This is looking very lovely. We're going to add 1 scoop of our chocolate rebuild protein powder. So we're immediately adding and getting 10 grams of protein just with the addition of that one product. We'll add our chia seeds. And then finally we have our maple syrup. Now, if you do not like maple syrup, you could substitute with honey if you wanted to. That is just as fine. It's really whatever your taste palette prefers. And you see how nice this all mixes together. Simple. What was that, like maybe 2 minutes? Super easy. So now what you'll do is you'll take this and you can either combine it all into just one jar and put it in the fridge. I like to divide it out into 4 portions and then put them into smaller mason jars. So then it's already overnight, it's forming. So I just grab the jar, take it with me in the morning on the go. So we're gonna scoop this into the jars, put the lid on it, goes in the fridge overnight. Okay, so then we'll pull our oats out the next morning. You see they thickened up nice. Super easy. We'll pour our serving right into our bowl. And then we will add a dollop of our yogurt on top. And really you can top it with whatever you like. I like cinnamon, it's simple. You can add some fruit on top if you wanted to, as you know, whatever you desire. And then there you have, oh, it smells so good, your delicious overnight oats. Thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed this simple and quick, easy recipe. And I hope to see you next month for another episode of Cooking with Celebrate.